Here we will see self-join in SQL Server. A self-join allows user to join a table to itself. It helps to write query with hierarchical data or compare rows within the same table. A self-join uses inner join or left join clause. Since the query that uses the self-join references the same table, the table alias is used to assign different names to the same table within the query. Note that referencing the same table more than one in a query without using table alias will result in an error. To utilize a self-join, the table must include a column which given alias name as X that operates as a primary key and another column which alias name as Y that holds data that can be matched with values in column X. Column X and Y do not need to have the same value for given row and column Y may even be null. Using table abbreviations, we can do self-join. The table abbreviation prevents us from using the same table name again in a single sentence. It will produce an error if we use the same table name more than once in a single query without using table aliases. Table abbreviations allows user to utilize the temporary name of the table that will be used in the query. General syntax for self-join is select columns from table name alias T1, again table 1 alias T2 and where condition, where T1 and T2 are the different table aliases for the same table. For example, select member.employee code, member.employee name, member.teamid and teamlead.employee name as teamlead name from employee which gives alias name as member and join employee with alias name teamlead on member.teamid equal to teamlead.emp code. Another example is select member.emp code, member.emp name, member.teamid, teamlead.employee name as teamlead name from employee from emp alias name as member, join emp alias name as teamlead on member.teamid equal to teamlead.employee code where member.teamid equal to 5. Now we'll execute these queries in SQL Server. First we'll use database and we'll execute self-join query on this table emp. So select member.emp code, member.emp name and teamlead.emp name as teamlead name from emp alias name as member, join emp alias name as teamlead and we will join it on member.teamid equal to teamlead.emp code. We will execute both these queries. It will display the data with self-join. Here employee code 3 will have the name Ben and team lead will be Chris. Since employee code 3 having team ID as 1 and team ID 1 has the employee name Chris. So employee code 3 having employee name Ben and team lead name is Chris. Similarly for 5 employee name is Gain and team lead name is Christian. Since team ID is 4, employee name for the team ID 4 is Christian. Here employee code 4 is not displayed since its team ID is null. So no reference is set. So it will not display the data for employee ID 4. If we want to display the data for team ID 5, we will add here where condition. We will copy this and here we will give where condition where member.teamid equal to 5. And when we execute this, with first query it will display all the records from the employee table. With second query it will display all the records with self-join and with third query it will display the records with self-join having team ID as 5. Since employee code 1 and 2 have team ID as 5.